Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to open a 1981 Donruss baseball pack. There's 18 cards in the pack. This was the first year that Donruss came out, right after the lawsuit with Topps. This is the only year they distributed bubblegum in them, and you can see why. Raleigh Fingers, Gene Richard, Jerry Mumphrey. If you like Padres, you'll love this pack. Or Tigers, Mark Wagner, Randy Jones. These cards are nice and miscut. Champ Summers, Dan Petrie, Sparky Anderson, Pat Underwood. Here's the backs of the cards, just if you're curious. Steve Mira, Hall of Famer Dave Winfield. That's a nice card. Dan Schatzeder, Jim Lentine, Stan Pappy, Bob Shirley, Jerry Turner. These cards all bent up in the pack. And that's Ricky Peters. Definitely a crapshoot buying vintage packs because you never know what you're going to get. Bent cards and nothing but Padres and Tigers. Have a great day, everybody. Like my video and subscribe to my channel.